Howler is all about protecting lives and livelihoods, because obviously in the event of fire, the effects of a fire can obviously take businesses down completely, and that's people's livelihoods. So we're all about protecting people. Our products provide a solution for fire safety on a building site during the period of construction. So it's a means of raising the alarm is the first thing, making sure people get out of the building. But we also have our Safety Hub product, which means that the firefighting equipment and all the information that they need is held in one centre point. We always make sure our innovation is centred around the customer's needs. So we have a really good working relationship with the Ignys team. It works really well for us, and we have come to sort of view Ignys as an extension of our R&D department. So they're very much part of what we do.
Howler are really nice to work with. They're a really friendly bunch. We have regular meetings with them and a really good communication stream with them.
The collaboration that we have with Ignys is really great at bringing fresh ideas to the table and fresh perspectives. It means that when we go into a discussion, we may have had an idea of what the outcome might be, but actually the thing can change completely because of the experience that's around the table and that drives those fresh direction.
Howler had ideas, what they wanted from this radio-linked fire alarm design, and we put those ideas into practice.
Particularly what Ignys brings to us is expertise in a lot of areas which we would find very difficult to find in one person. And so we've got access to a team of professionals who all have their own speciality.
We designed the hardware for inside the fire alarms, we designed the circuit boards, we designed all the software for this as well. We took those ideas and made it into a really good product.
I see our partnership with Ignys as being a long-term partnership. It's clearly a go-ahead organisation. It's growing and it's got some great plans for the future, and I do believe as we work closely together that we will continue to do so for a long time to come.